English short phrases. That's not what I mean. Hindi yon ang ibig kong sabihin. She has a bad cold. Grabe ang sipon niya. I'm trying to save money. Sinusubukan kong magtipid ng pera. You don't need to hurry. Hindi mo kailangang magmadali. Is anybody waiting on you? May naghihintay pa sa'yo? It turned out to be true. Lumabas na totoo. Do you mind if I smoke here? Ayos lang ba sa'yong magsigarilyo ako dito? Come on, we'll be late if you don't hurry up. Bilis na, mahuhuli na tayo kung di ka pa magmamadali. Why on earth did you give him such a name? Ano bang naisip mo't binigyan mo siya ng ganyang klaseng pangalan? Have you washed your hands yet? Naghugas ka na ba ng kamay? After that, you go home. Pagkatapos niyan, umuwi ka na. How and why did you come here? Paano at bakit ka pumunta dito? This house is mine now. Sa akin na ngayon ang bahay na ito. This is smaller than that. Mas maliit ito kaysa dyan. I think I'm just tired. Sa tingin ko, pagod lang ako. Are you sure this is the right place? Sigurado ka bang ito ang tamang daan? I think we're here. Sa tingin ko, nandito na tayo. What are you worried about? Ano bang bumabagabag sa'yo? I should have come earlier. Dapat dumating ako ng maaga. Have you got any plans? May naisip ka bang plano? He tried to stand up. Sinubukan niyang tumayo. It's a fact that you can't deny. Yon ang katotohanan na hindi mo maitatanggi. I really wonder about that. Nagtataka talaga ako tungkol doon. I wonder who that girl is. Nagtataka ako kung sino ang babaeng iyon. He lied about you. Nagsinungaling siya tungkol sa'yo. I can't afford it. Hindi ko kayang bilhin yan. He is fun to be around. Masaya siyang kasama. I will back you up. Susuportahan kita. Don't expect things to be easy. Huwag kang umasa na magiging madali ang mga bagay. It doesn't make sense. Walang saysay o walang kabuluhan. I look up to you. Hinahangaan kita. I am fed up with him. Sawa na ako sa kanya. Tell me you don't like it. Sabihin mo sa akin na hindi mo nagustuhan. Give me more time. Bigyan mo pa ako ng oras. This is what I want. Ito ang gusto ko. I hope this helps. Sana makatulong ito.